The ring and magnetic balls, when applied to acupressure points located in hands, helps to activate and improve eyesight, control sugar, hypertension, thyroid, kidney, stomach disorder, hearing, heart, pancreas, etc. I'm just showing you how to use this. Basically, these are the different ways you can use your ring. Please note, never do acupressure in areas of open cut and areas of redness and swelling. This is a way you can do, you can use this ring in different fingers, both in right and left hand. Coming to magnetic balls, try to use or apply this magnetic ball on these points. Just try to press it little hard. These are the sugar points basically. And try to keep this in front of your phone or a place where you can remind yourself of doing this at least for 5 to 10 minutes every day. I'm pretty sure this will be a very useful thing for improving your blood circulation. And after using 1 month, let's see how it makes you feel. Thank you.